I've seen advice on social media saying go where you are appreciated and go where you are applauded. Those are the rooms that you should be in. If there's a room where nobody is cheering for you, where nobody is clapping for you, nobody appreciates you, then leave that room and find the room where people appreciate you. And I get where that may be coming from, but here's the thing. If you are only associated with the people in the rooms who are clapping for you, you have to ask yourself why, right? You have to ask yourself, what am I doing for them that they are appreciating and applauding? And also ask yourself, what am I doing to myself in the process of being appreciated and applauded by these people? Because we can find ourselves in situations at work, in family, in relationships, where we are bending over backwards, where we are sacrificing our identity and even our dignity for the sake of appreciation and applause. So, appreciation and applause in and of itself is not enough. When I created the A list assignment, this was not even, I'm going to be honest with you, this came out of my own need. And it came out of my own insecurity and me really sitting with myself. Remember, I talk about those 3 daily appointments, one with God, one with yourself, and then your appointments with others. I sat with myself. And one of the things God and I found out was that I had some deep insecurities, which allowed me to show up well and be applauded in certain areas and by certain people. But those actions were not serving my soul. What does it profit a person to gain the whole world, to gain applause, to gain appreciation, and lose their soul? I was losing my soul, doing the right things, doing good things, but losing my soul. So do not let appreciation be the main goal of what it is that you do, why you do what you do, and the way that you do it, the way that you show up. One of the first things in the A list assignment, actually, the very first thing is appreciate your attributes. And it is an invitation into self reflection. Know who you are, know the things about you that make you you. One of the things that I realized, especially moms and wives, we are really good at pointing out the things that our family, our husbands like and don't like. We are really good at describing their personality and their quirks and all the different things. But if someone was to stop you and say, tell me about yourself, would you be able to do that? Would you be able to, on a deep level, really know who you are and really be able to describe who you are to them? Not what you do, not your favorite color, but who are you? Do you know? This is an invitation for you to find out. And when you do, to appreciate who you are and applaud who you are, because God appreciates you and God applauds you. God don't make no junk. It is time for us to walk in a way that shows our true identity, that shows our true light. I've been scrolling through social media recently, and especially in the area of fashion and lifestyle, nothing stands out. Nothing stands out to me. There are very few women I can count on one hand who truly stand out in terms of their style, in terms of the way that they present themselves to the world, the way that they show up. And it seems very carefully curated, not for the gram, but from within. And that's what your personal vision has to be. It has to be carefully curated from within you. And it's birthed out of what you recognize, what you acknowledge, and what you appreciate about yourself. And the word appreciate has two meanings. You can appreciate something because you hold it in regard for what it is and you value it for what it is. But appreciate also means to increase in value. So once you have discovered the beautiful things about yourself, what are your strengths? What are you really good at? Work on those things. Don't just rest on them. Work on them, improve them so that you can be the best version of yourself. That's my Monday message. I hope this helps. Blessings on your journey. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.